Hello everyone, welcome to my channel and welcome to this card making video. In this card making video, I'm using this card stock, which is a base card, and this is the pattern paper, which is like about quarter inch smaller than the base card. And I did all these die cut using all the card stock, and I'm now going to add these small berries in this die cut. So these dies are from Sizzix. These are cute ones to add in these Christmas cards. So now I'm going to stick this pattern paper on the cardstock. Now I'm going to place this square kind of die, and then I'm going to use the glue and stick those in the center of the card. So I have this cute stickers in my stash. So I'm going to use that in this card. These are like perfect size for that square die. Now I'm going to add these dies in this card. I think that'll be like too much if I add one more. So I'm not going to add too many of them. So I'm going to put the sentiment and then see how I can add extra leaves in this. So I'm going to use the double-sided foam tape, and then I'm going to add that on the card. Then I'm going to see how I can add these leaves. So I'm going to add this. Then I'm going to see, I'm going to add the small leaf there on the top, and then I'll finish this project. I hope you enjoyed watching it, and if you like it, please don't forget to subscribe, click on the like button, and leave your comments below. I will see you in my next project with the new ideas. Thanks for watching. Bye.